Hey, do you want to hear about how your government is screwing you over? Well, there was a bill introduced in February of 2026, and after 3 months, it flew through the House Energy and Commerce Committee. There was a rapid succession of subcommittee reviews, heavy closed door lobbying from automotive groups, and quietly gutting the original right to repair text. And then, guess what? It passed in a 48-1 vote. Congress can't even agree on what to eat for lunch, but this committee was almost completely unanimous in their decision. Tell me the auto industry is giving you millions of dollars to screw over average Americans without telling me. Now, they're calling it the Modernization Bill, but it's literally a classic corporate bait and switch. They left the words right to repair on the box because it makes you feel good,
Hey, if you want me to take a dump in a box and mark it guaranteed, I will. I got spare time.
while secretly completely stripping out the only thing that actually matters, which is your wireless car data. Now, if you are able to block independent mechanics from reading that wireless data, you force everybody back into your overpriced dealership service bays and you kill small independent businesses and mechanics. Well, I'm going to be honest with you. I am completely done begging corporate billionaires for permission to fix what I paid for. This is exactly why the Kainos EV project exists. I'm a web developer. I didn't know anything about vehicles, but I am sick and tired of being ripped off by the cars that I should own myself and not being able to fix them. We are going to build a stupid, simple system designed to resurrect old, dead vehicles. None of it is a black box. There's no digital toll booths. There's no hidden software gates. It is an entirely open framework built so that basically anybody can swap out an electric motor, replace the controller, even change individual battery cells with basic shop tools. Please help me stop letting legacy auto turn vehicle ownership into a corporate trap. If you buy it, you should freaking own it. It's time for us to finally screw Congress and big business for once. Please like and subscribe and share this channel so that you can help me get the backing I need to build the prototype Kainos EV, then release a kit to help Americans break the chains.